You may have heard the name IGNOU many times, no doubt. IGNOU is the best institute for open and distance learning. Its degrees are recognized globally and its programs are recognized by UGC and AICTE. They have also introduced their online program to create a digital experience for students. As the world is going digital, so is IGNOU. If you're not able to decide whether to go for an online or the distance or open, then you are on the right video. In this video, I am going to cover everything about both the program so that you do not have to worry. You are going to discover its faculties, diverse community, exams, placement and much more. So let's just take a deep dive. First, let's understand what each program is all about. Online MBA from IGNOU. This is a fully digital program. You have access to all your study material, lectures and assignments online through IGNOU Learning Management System, that is in short form called LMS, which is a portal for students. This program is perfect for those who are comfortable with technology and want flexibility in their learning schedule. Distance MBA ODL from IGNOU. This is the traditional distance learning mode, also known as Open and Distance Learning ODL. You get printed study materials and can attend counseling session at designated learner support centers. It's ideal for those who prefer physical books and are comfortable with self-study. Both programs are offered by IGNOU, which is also considered India's leading open university, and these programs are recognized by UGC and AICTE. So the degree you earn will hold the same value as traditional degree. The only difference lies in how you will learn and interact with the program. Let's start. Who can apply for these programs? The good news is the eligibility criteria are identical for both. You need a bachelor degree of at least 3-year duration from a recognized university. For general category candidate, you must have at least 50% mark, while reserve category candidates like SC, ST needs 45%. And here the best part, no entrance exam is required either of the program. There are so many links available on the internet and the student tends to get confused in the application process. It is necessary to know the right step to apply for the program, and this is where the two programs differ significantly. For online MBA, the entire admission process of online MBA is online, making it super convenient. Here how it works. Number 1. Visit the IGNOU online admission portal at ignou.ac.in. Number 2. Create a user ID and password. Keep them 8 to 16 character alphanumeric for security. Number 3. Fill out the application form with your personal details, academic record and preferred specialization. Number 4. Upload scanned copies of your degree certificate, mark sheet and a photo. Number 5. Pay the registration fee online using a debit, credit card, UPI or any other banking option. Number 6. Track your application status online. You will get a confirmation via email and SMS when you are selected for the program. For distance MBA ODL, visit ignouadmission.summer.edu.in to create an account. Fill out the form, upload the required documents like degree, certification, mark sheet and select the program for which you are registering. Pay the program fee via credit or debit card or UPI or any other payment option that are available. Students need to fill the registration form for every semester. Now let's come on to the learning and how you will actually learn in each program. In an online MBA, all study material are digital, accessible through the LMS provided. You get access to online lecture, interactive session and a digital library. Assignments are submitted online and you can track your progress through the LMS. This program is highly flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace from anywhere with an internet connection. It is a perfect choice for those who thrive in digital environment and want more interactivity. Now it's turn for the distance ODL program. Number 1. In the ODL program, you will receive printed study material which are great if you prefer physical books. Number 2. You can attend face-to-face counseling session at learner support centers where you can get guidance and submit assignments. Number 3. It is more self-paced and require more discipline since there is less interactivity compared to the online mode. Number 4. It is ideal for those who prefer traditional learning and have limited internet access. The key difference in learning pattern is choose online MBA if you are tech savvy and want interactive learning. Go for distance MBA if you prefer physical materials and occasional in-person support. When it comes to exam, both programs follow a very similar structure. For both programs, your grade for each course except the project course is based on 2 components. Assignments contribute 30% to your grade. You need to submit 1 graded assignments per course. For online MBA, you submit them through the LMS. For distance MBA, you submit them to your learner support center. Term end examination. For term end examination, account for 70% of your grade. Term end examination are held twice a year in June and December, and you can choose to appear either or both, provided you have registered for the course and submitted the assignment. You can choose between pen and paper or computer-based tests (CBT) mode for term end examination. Though CBT centers may be limited, so one has to check the availability. Hall tickets or admit cards are uploaded on website ignou.ac.in 7 to 10 days before the exam. Students have to print them. Both programs include an 8-credit project course in the final semester that are evaluated based on your project report. For online MBA, you submit the project report via the LMS. For distance MBA, you submit it to the registrar SED at IGNOU Maidan Garhi, New Delhi. The evaluation is nearly identical, but the submission process online versus physical align with the program's delivery mode. Now let's talk about the cost. Both programs are affordable, but there are slight differences. For online MBA, the total program fee is approximately 62,000 for the entire 2-year program based on the available information. If you opt for soft copy study material, you can get 15% discount on the course fee, which could lower the cost slightly. Additional fee, for example, registration, examination may apply. So check the IGNOU portal for exact details. For distance MBA ODL, the fee is 15,500 for first, second and fourth semester and rupees 17,500 for the third semester, which include the project course. So total 15,500 into 3 plus 17,500 is equal to 64,000. Additional fee like registration and development fees may apply. SC/ST student may be eligible for fee exemption if their family income is below rupees 2.5 lakh annually and they are not employed. The fees are very similar, but the online MBA's potential discount for digital material could save you some money. Always verify the latest fee on ignou.ac.in or ignou.summer.edu.in. Now you may be wondering which one you should choose. It's really depend on your preference and circumstances. Choose online MBA if you are comfortable with technology and prefer digital learning. You want flexibility and can learn at your own pace from anywhere. You like interactive online session and digital resources. Choose distance MBA ODL if you prefer physical study material and traditional learning method. You are comfortable with self-study and don't mind attending counseling session in person. You live in an area with limited internet access or prefer offline learning. You are near to a regional center for easy submission of form and assignments. Both programs are equally valuable in terms of accreditation and career prospects. So your choice should be aligned with your learning style, internet access and proximity to IGNOU regional centers. Before you decide, here are a few tips. Visit ignou.ac.in for the latest admission deadlines and fee details. Do not get distracted by the fake websites that are created by the name of IGNOU. Reach out to current students or IGNOU Student Service Center at esrc@ignou.ac.in. IGNOU offers a diverse community which includes age diversity. You will find 18-year-old fresher studying alongside 60-year-old retired, chasing lifelong dream. There's no age limit, so learning is truly for everyone. Geographical diversity. IGNOU students come from every corner of India, from metros like Delhi to remote areas. Plus, international students from countries like Nepal, Bhutan, and even the Middle East join through IGNOU's global network. Professional diversity. Working professional, homemaker, entrepreneur. Socio-economic diversity. From urban elites to rural farmer, IGNOU affordable fees like Rs 62,000 for a full MBA make education really accessible. Scholarship and fee exemption for SC/ST students further level the playing field. IGNOU has a campus placement cell which assists students in a placement in IT and non-IT sector. The program do not guarantee placement like the traditional and full-time MBA program, but do offer assistance and support in finding the right job. Students who want placement support can send their current resume, biodata to campus placement at ignou.ac.in. They can also visit their homepage www.ignou.ac.in for regular updates on placement related activities. The Indira Gandhi National Open University is India's top choice for open and distance learning due to its unmatched accessibility, affordability, and diversity. It is currently serving over 3 million students. It offers 200 plus UGC and AICTE recognized programs from MBAs to diploma, catering to learner from urban professional to rural people. Its flexible learning model with online and distance mode allows students to study at their own pace, supported by 67 regional center and digital platform. It has highly affordable fees as we discussed above in the fee section. IGNOU empowers students of all ages and background, earning its title as the People's University. That's it for today's comparison of IGNOU's online MBA and distance MBA. I hope this video helped you understand the difference and made your decision a little easier. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more education tips, and drop your question in the comments below. Links to IGNOU admission portal are in the description, and if you have any doubts, please leave us a message on WhatsApp by the link in the description box. Until next time, keep learning and chasing your dreams. Follow us for more such insight and hit the like button. Your encouragement means the world to us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram.